How to fix Facebook music no result found. In today's video guys, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook, open it and scroll down. Here click on storage and go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data. Click OK and then you have to back. Click on force stop, and what you should do, you have to go to your Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.